Team Papa Bakope and one Asante Kotoko Ukumapima Apembeba Africa Club of the Century. Abante friend said Di Maria, Salif Di Maria, I am the new Sina Kadema Accra House of Folk. Na a man for Visibia Kotoko, any dia Abante Echi. But and Tia Ebade said Coach Prosper Nate Ogum. As we hear Abante services. Asante Kotoko. Nana Kotoko Penny Bako. No patches and Kaunon Kasa. Ebeto Di Maria Edinaba. Asante Kotoko. Nafis wasam Abranteno assassin akahon. Posinka. Sa 4 million Ghana cedis. And I said 40 billion or 2 for the man penny for say Omfanto players no. Emphasize canon to ho. Nan Kaunon Kasa. Betua Di Maria. Salifu. Misikano. But I'm so coach and he said, on here a Brantino services or Asante Kotoko. Ama deal no off a Brantino intimacy a kind and from Asante Kotoko. Next season, honum coaching I say, no be judgment. It's a coach can so in here or dear. Then and when he said, I was your coffee Jama on deal no day. I have off. I have Brantino intimate Pimo Asante Kotoko. I have not defensive set or saying, and whom some so. I can't a done deal. I have brand to me, I didn't say a certain catasi at your master Anticotoko. To bones are Brantano. I said, Red Jesse next season 2024-2025 league season. I have brand defensive set or say I am the blue Sina Kadema as good, but in any Pimo Israel. Kusinaka hono abene Branty or Ghana has say Nana Kotoko penifo coach say we hear Branty no na no kasa Branty and me trials na Branty so onye player bia e was your trials oko Israel no bo league tinya fun obe trials asa na wato so hear na nkwa dia e was wato no na the matter say e Kotoko penifo bi na the Kotoko supporters bi na ayese o man kasa beto Abrante no Edinaba Asante Kotoko amano abesi akan said Abrante team no na akoma so a obeso si akan edema club no next season no e ho no itina set o say ho sam so no okay itina dey set o say e kan say onye trials so mu hia no kwa de a yesi de nim na wia no yenso kanim kania hwenenim anajo so last na me ka say Kotoko ni team bi anka wase ke be trials e ho yini se wa ben waso na wo de ba Asante Kotoko nya trials na wase wo de ba nya trials asem bia ho no mo o so balance so be che o bebre o ekunu Asante Kotoko e ho no nti na de free set o say so aso ye so bana no ya no so akaka kwem na e dan deal na Branty no abeshe the red jersey no na next season on sa Branty no Richmond koye no so ebegina finfin ho no so abedi agro yi eye no a Branty friend say Emmanuel Antwi ene ne mfefo so no mo adakojachi eye mo training da sa Sudanese no omo so nya no mo ho eye mo training e de ahia Accra House of Folk 17th July Democracy Cup or Accra Hase. Inti umuguso amoye preparation towards that. Inti bonus Sam Lanti ejinem e was House of Folk. It me chombe 4-0, 5-0 e honum. We are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko. And then after Branty friends say Saka osina kandema tano bofo kwa isua o yidi pebrem na Kotoko penifo ni Branty na chi papa capito e de omutimo no na penifo nya Branty na chi di omuguso se omonsa be kan Branty no no be si akan e de ma the Fantabulous Boys, the Osekrom Boys, Team Papa Africa Club of the Century obesi akan e de ma Asante Kotoko e honom ti na ɛnɛ anɔpa yi 1 or 2 ɛyɛ me na mesi me de bɛto mo anim sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a obi so hu deɛ ɛkɔ so Asante Kotoko mu. Okay, de bɛto fam yɛ so mɛsa mo aso ate. Mede mo asese mo team mo hwɛ mo so. Wobɛtumi aforo, wobɛtumi so like, wobɛtumi so subscribe. Oh, YouTube na wabɔ ne atumi grow this page together. Mede mo asese mo team. Shalom, peace. Bye bye.